Hola, 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 Shapfili Uzit Mzansi. Thank you for tuning in to Everything SAT Ski. And on this one today, we got you Saleng news. We all know Guti Monopoly Saleng has been making a trend lately in our daily news and trending as the number one player who has been struggling a lot with physiologically. And on this one today, we got you Munepale Saleng is facing a difficult period away from Mamelodi Sundowns first team, with his agent revealing that his struggles go beyond disciplinary issues. The 28-year-old winger has yet to feature for Mamelodi Sundowns this season. Coach Mikel Cardoso has confirmed that he had been separated from the first team following repeated disciplinary breaches. Saling's agent Karabo has now provided more context about the player's situation. She made an appearance for on the sports night amplified with Andile Ncube. Karabo stressed that she wanted to protect her client confidentiality while explaining the difficulties he has faced since leaving the mighty Orlando Pirates. I think that he's traveled a season that is quite difficult for him to show up as a professional player. She said the agent revealed that Monopoly Saling's struggles were also evident during his loan spell at Orbit College. It was where he was spent to regain his confidence under coach Bagiso. She insisted that his situation should not simply be labeled as misconduct or bad behavior. I can see there's an issue. I can see how it's manifesting itself, but it is definitely greater than misbehavior, as the agent explained. But it is more than that. It is deeper than that. It is physiological. Karabo said she had observed what she described as a mindset safety issue. They had followed Saleng across different stages of his career. She said the problem first manifested at Pirates before continuing with Orbit. It continued despite Saleng initially making a positive start at Mamelodi Sundowns. It's physiology. There's a physiology safety issue that I have observed, she said. The agent also stressed that she was not qualified to diagnose the player but had tried to help him access appropriate support. She said the challenge with mental well-being is that help cannot simply be forced on someone who is struggling. Karabo also addressed questions about a possible alcohol problem, saying she was not aware of one but had concerns from some people surrounding Monopoly Saleng. The agent believes Sundowns have recognized that there is a deeper issue and have given the winger space to recover. For now, Saleng's return to the pitch remains uncertain as he works through what is representative described as a difficult physiology period. There's also speculations and rumors that Monopoly Saleng is on drugs, crystal meth, but that is allegedly. Please make sure that you smash the subscribe button, turn notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section. From your boy Isaac So Nice Nyazi Sitini La Ekaya. Don't forget to subscribe. Shelele.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Sibele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is